nice idea. Yeah, they're surprising, some of them are. Depends what sort they are, but a lot of it's the fluff and stuff on the down as well, so. Yeah. So where are they based? No, but I just thought it's because it's years since I've seen one. I mean, we know there are still some around here, but it's years since I've seen one. But yeah, but it's obviously, I'll just have to be careful when we let Sophie out that she doesn't get hold of it or anything. Yeah, but oh, they are lovely. You forget how nice they are. So. Yeah, Johnny's up there trying to film it again through the window. He's got his wee camera, wee video camera out. So. Yeah. So there you go. So we've got that, and we've got the mummy and baby woodpecker in here. I guess it's the story of your life, isn't it? Well, we'll get the video thing, and then we'll let you know where John is. Probably put it on YouTube or something, but we'll let you know what he's called it once he's done it. All right then. Okay. Bye. It's pouring down in Kendal. Wow, it's fair tucking in, isn't it? Well, that's obviously not squirrel proof.